So this is a live use test of the Zippo emergency fire starter. The day that I recorded this video, I was not feeling well, so I decided to dub my voice in at a later date, which is what I'm doing at the moment. This happens to be my favorite one of the fire starters I've purchased, and so I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here I'm just showing the fire starter that's included with the logs when you buy the pack of logs. Yeah, that's just showing the paperwork on it for the fire stick. So this is Zippo's wax tinder sticks. I'm just showing where I might place it once I get it lit. So this is Zippo's emergency fire starter. It comes with 4 wax tinder sticks, and I'm showing a couple extra ones from an additional pack of 8. It's a pretty good flint system. So here I'm opening up one of the tinder sticks, and I was at the peak of my flu when I shot this video, and I noticed that my decision-making skills were diminished. I had used these tinder sticks many times before this video, so watching this video I noticed that I didn't fluff it up or open it properly, and you'll see the results of not doing that correctly. Here I'm trying to open it like a real Zippo. So when you're ill, your decision skills are definitely lessened. So it just goes to show that, you know, even when you're familiar with a product, when you're not well, it does affect the outcome of what you're trying to do. Now it just went out, and it's taken me a second to realize it went out. So I'm trying to fluff it up some more. I was impressed that even after it lit and extinguished, that I was able to reuse it again. See, now I've realized that I definitely need to open it up some more. And you'll notice it only takes about 4 spins of the flint wheel to get this second try lit. And it's simply because I opened it up more. And there we go. So after this point, it's ready to go, and the fire starts very quickly. So I'm lighting the fire starter stick. I think it's a piece of wood that's treated with something, but the wood style of these works pretty well, and you'll see the results of that once it starts going. So out of all the fire starters that I've used, so far that are similar to this. I mean, this is an all self-contained unit with tinder and the ignition source, and it has waterproof or water-resistant properties. I like this one a lot, and I actually bought Jimmy one of these, and he tried it out right away, and I think he was shocked at how fast and quickly the tinder sticks lit with just the flint wheel. But he was able to get his going on the very first try. So I don't know if Jimmy will use his, but I think he was impressed with it. So I'm just showing the product in the camera again after the fire has started. Okay, so I'll let you guys watch the rest of this. It's got about 30 seconds or so, and then it'll go into the last segment. So what you're looking at, the footage you watched earlier, I dubbed my voice over it when I was feeling better, but this has been burning about 10 or 15 minutes. I've added all my old wood to burn it up, but this was all started with that, with the Zippo and the Zippo tinder sticks. So it works, guys. I mean, it was a little hard the first time, but I was able to reignite it, and I'm not going to complain about that. I mean, I think this thing works pretty good. It's a lot better than the fire steel, and I think it's probably better than the magnesium bar. In my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, but even though it stumbled a little bit, I was still able to get it started pretty quick.